My name is Susan Gross. I'm the Director of Curriculum and Instruction here at CISD. I want to share CISD's journey from books to boot ups. With COVID, CISD had to get very innovative with instruction. With these new challenges of at home learning and at school learning, we had to prepare and train our teachers to create lessons for online learning that would still provide an exceptional and rigorous learning experience while maintaining that personal, positive student teacher relationship that we here at CISD so pridefully believe in. So, why the title? Books to Boot Ups? Before, students had only textbooks. Now, every student has a Chromebook as well. Our students now are ready to boot up for learning at any time. I want to share some boot ups from our own CISD teachers that have taken digital learning to great heights while putting in their own personal touches for their online lessons. This is how even the youngest students get on their Google Classroom.
Hi, boys and girls. This is Wednesday. We're going to continue with phonics today with going over our long U and long E with that silent E at the end. First, we're going to review over our sight words this week really quickly. Your first word is the word house. Your next word is long. Your third word is off. And your last word this week is small.
The teachers still use the fundamental five, starting with the objective at the beginning of the lesson.
Our reading objective for the day says, I will be able to describe and understand plot elements, including main events, conflict, and resolution. Describe the importance of the setting in a text. Our focus for the day. In today's lesson, we will look at some important elements of fables, such as setting, problem, and resolution. Understanding these elements will help us understand the moral or lesson being told.
Some teachers do team teaching online.
Hello, fourth graders. It is Mrs. Jack
and Ms. Morgan
and Ms. Erie. Today, our goals are to identify details and word choices that reveal the author's theme, and we want to state the theme of a story. We're going to do this by comparing the themes of two or more stories. So here you can see a Venn diagram. The Venn diagram is used for comparing and contrasting, and it shows what two texts share and what makes them different. Because remember, comparing tells me what they have. What's that word again, Ms. Ryan? Similar. And contrast shows me how they're different or how they differ. Which means they are different.
Interactive notebooks have been used this year to organize class notes, vocabulary, and even data. As you move up the grade levels, there will be more classes added to their Google Classroom. But no matter what grade level, elementary to upper levels, you can work with the students online.
This on topic 11-3. Our objective is, I will use my understanding of place value to determine the number that is 10 or 100 more or less than a given number. First, you're going to watch the video. You're going to follow along during the guided practice, and then you're going to complete the independent practice. Look at what stays the same. Well, if you start in the ones place, the ones stay the same. 3, 3, 3, 3 ones.
In order to be successful, we have to know what the parent functions look like. So we're going to be sketching one cycle, and you want to pay attention to which function you're sketching. So I'm going to be sketching sine. I suggest, until you learn it, that you do a little mini sketch of sine from 0 to 2 pi, because we're just going to use that pattern in our sketch of the translations.
While traditional teaching is very impactful and stocked with benefits, online teaching is just as impactful and gives added benefits like reteaching opportunities by rewatching a lesson at their own pace. Teachers can even flip the classroom learning. Any student that was absent has everything at a boot up. I want to give a big, huge thank you to our teachers that have been working night and day to learn all the new tools to help their students get the exceptional learning that each student deserves. We can't end this without saying thank you to the community and family members that supported us through this new journey with digital learning. We also want to give the board members a big shout out for all of their help too. Thank you from CISD.